Hi, this video will let you know one way of treating cough, and this is stubborn prep. You know that what you are reading in the Google or watching videos anywhere, you know that some videos or information is not correct or is not effective. So this one I will show you, or I will let you know one natural way of treating cough. And this cough is associated with phlegm, actually, with the lungs, throat, sinuses. So it will remove your mucus or phlegm. So I will introduce you this plant, Holy Basil. I don't know what's the name in Ilocano when I went vacation. I picked some this Holy Basil in the farm. It's usually grow like a foreign plant in the soil, no? So I'll let you show the picture later or within this video. So what you will do, you will pick leaves with a considerable, maybe 10 pieces. So boil it, and then you take the water, you take the, after boiling, also you take the what do you call this, the tea or the boiled water. So you can mix it with ginger, but this ginger you need to boil also, or put some sliced small pieces and put in this boiled Holy Basil. You can also put honey, no? I will show you also what's the good honey, the name, the brand. Because you know, some honeys out there are fake. They usually sugar. They just mix it with the honey. It's not 100%. So I'll show you according to even in supermarket in Dubai. I search or I taste almost all honey. So this brand, I'll show you the picture. Nearly pure honey. So usually the price, if the honey price is cheap, usually this one not low quality, not nearly pure. So that's it. And if you want also, you can drink simultaneously, not mixing these three. But first you eat this honey, one tablespoon direct raw you eat, no? After 1 minute you drink this Holy Basil, boiled Holy Basil. And then after 5 minutes, you can drink this ginger tea, boiled ginger tea, or ginger in hot water. You make this one like tea. You sip, not drink one time. You just drink maybe 1 hour like this. So, for example, if you finish 1 mug of ginger tea, you put again hot water into the ginger containing the mug, and then drink maybe 3 times. So I assure you, your phlegm will go away. melt or so maybe next video I will show you the complete treatment, mainly for the lungs, tips, advice, or everyday healthy living about fighting this glucose, carbon glucose reduction. So I will show you exercises, food you eat, food you avoid in the next video. How to drain this mucus in your lungs, in the sinus, in the throat, and this nose. So stay around.